People came from everywhere to celebrate music from Africa and around the world. Our beautiful Swahili culture I experienced through all 5 of my senses. Zantil, I'd like to thank you for making this possible, for connecting us. Big up Zantil!
Big up Zantil every time!
But most of all, I'd like to thank you, Tanzania, for preserving this wonderful culture. It's so hard to say goodbye, but your girl V gotta go. You know I be keeping it real. Kama kawaida ni mzuka full. Asanteni sana.
Thank you, Tanzania, for letting me take you on this wonderful journey. It's been a truly moving experience for me. Our culture is all around us, in every corner of our country. It's in our music, our language, our food, our history, the clothes we wear, and the people we encounter. It's all around us, and I encourage you to explore our Tanzanian heritage like I do.
Nina mpenzi wangu katokea Zanzibari kwenye upepo wa bahari loe. Nilisita kumueleza ana miaka 16 tu. Sakina wa mama.
I'm Vanessa Mdee on behalf of Zanta. Until next time, Tanzania, keep moving, keep listening, keep dancing, and keep talking.
Yeah.